Yeah, sorry for my bad puns. Puns, not puns. It's like I'm saying plum. This is the worst. I'm thirsty in Mario. Okay, Donkey Kong is right behind me. Okay, this is bad. This is bad. And there we go. That was great. Go. I got a coin. Okay, I can get a speed boost from these coins. Okay, no one's behind me. Great. And I'll just throw that anyway. No one can get me because, yeah, I'm way far ahead of anyone else, and I do. Take that, you beagle. Okay. DK stands for Donkey Kong. I think there's like 4 races, and there can't be 5. DK Pass. Okay, this is Donkey Kong Pass. Ooh, really scary. Okay, it's snowy, so you have to watch out for the ice because I don't want to slip in it. I think on the sides. Oh, they're blocks. Didn't know this. Last one I did was the Calamari Desert, if I'm starting. Oh God. It gets a little lonely. It gets a little lonely on these empty rooms. Yes. Watching the hours tick by. Do you wanna build a snowman? Do you wanna build a snowman? Doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay. Bye. Yes, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say have courage, but I'm here for you just until the end. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman? Do you wanna build a snowman? Have to be a snowman. Okay, bye. They say have courage, but I'm trying to. But in the end, we only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman? Do you wanna build a snowman? Okay. Bye. Did you watch Frozen? Because yeah, I love that movie, Frozen. Is Frozen life? I'm not sure. Okay. Snowballs are coming. Hate stupid people. I hate Bowser. He's been bullying me. My eye itches for some reason. I'm first place still. Okay, I have a friend. Why do I keep getting bananas? That's like the worst thing. 3 out of 3. Okay, this is the final map. Ah, great. Once I get a banana, now I get a whole group of bananas. What's even worse than that? God. Ow! I was gonna get that power up until boosh! The snowball comes. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Really? Okay. There's not a lot of things. Once I get hit by a snowball, and at the same time, I get inked by a squid and hit by a blue shell. Oh, great. Now I got another group of bananas. I hate bananas. Okay, great. Snowball leaves. The final lap. I'm at the final slot. And yeah. There, now I can scratch my nose. There we go, now I can scratch my nose. I'm the leader of the whole thing. Daisy Cruiser. I think this is gonna be pinkish because, yeah, Daisy loves pink things. That's what I know about her. It didn't say final race, so I think there's one more race coming up after this. First was the Kalamari Desert, then it was DK Pass, I think. And now it's Daisy Cruiser, so I think there's 4, yeah. When Mario got changed, he's like, ow, 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 ow! It's like howling, like a dog. Is Mario a dog? I think he can't be. Third place. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad. Okay, Donkey Kong is in first, and Peach, I think, is second. Okay. I got banana. That won't work. Bye. I'm going this way. And I get squirted by ink. I hate the squid. It's the annoying thing. I'm gonna hit someone with this. And when I do, I can still that red. Go, Yoshi, go, Yoshi. Thank you. I'm going in there here. And now we go back to the surface. Can you do take it the right way? Final lap, okay. This is all that matters. Final lap. Let's do it. Okay, I think we have to go up here. Okay, yeah, it says not to go this way. Oh, great. Peach is the leader because, yeah. And I can't see anything. Yeah, how, Peach. Yeah, how, baby. It's about to do this so beast. Oh, keep them distracted. The green shell and boom. I'm so confident then. And this video is 13 minutes, okay? Trace. Where is it now? But easy, not lava. Ooh, maple treeway. Okay. Okay, there's ducklings, I think. I think they're worms, I'm not sure. See me in the horizon, right there. See? See that little green thing popping up? Okay. Okay, final race. This is all that matters. It's like it's a country. It's a country western country song. It's doing the blues. Yeah, is this the right way? I think it is. I'm gonna race on the wall. Oh, okay. This is bad. I have to. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's what it said. Get away. Get away. Get away. Go back. Well, I got most of them. It fell down. Okay. Come on. This is confident. Okay, this is lap 2 out of 3. Okay. So, yeah, that shouldn't be a biggie problem. Okay, we're in the duckling. So, oh, no. Okay. I almost got stompled. Go away! Mind your own business. Don't you have to go to a 7-hour work? I'm going so slow because, yeah, I don't have enough. Let's go. Ow. And great. Jump out. Why is everyone going after me? First. Follow the leader, please. I know that's a baby song. Oh no! DK! Give me a big passing, I'll give you a thick fatty. Oh, I was the blue shell there. Oh god. Okay. DK is past the finish line. Good job, Donkey Kong. Well, I'm the one who, yeah.